Magnetic labels make organizing and labeling easy and convenient. And best of all, the labels are removable, durable, and repositionable. We have a wide range of styles and sizes for writing or printing your label information. Warehouses and business spaces are regularly reorganized to keep up with inventory and other changes. Sticker labels are difficult to remove and leave behind a residue, resulting in messy cleanup and potential service damage. Skip the headache with Magnet Source magnetic labels. Label magnets are the easiest way to change your information quickly. Reuse the labels after removing them to save time and money. We have the magnetic label holder to fit your needs. C-channel label magnets hold data cards for your barcode or hand-printed information. Our box sets come with pre-cut magnetic labels and matching cards for your convenience. C-channel magnets also come in rolls and are available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 3 inches tall. All of our rolled magnetic labels are available in 50 or 100-foot lengths. Pocket and sleeve label magnets allow you to slide in and display printed or handwritten cards or paper. Available in 5 sizes and 2 varieties, from 1x4 to 8.5 by 11 inches. They provide protection for the inserted pages with a clear plastic cover. White magnetic labels are covered with a writable vinyl top coat, so you can write the information directly on the magnet. They come in sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inches wide and are available in scored or unscored rolls. Use our adhesive-backed magnets to attach printed or handwritten cards or paper. The non-magnetic side has pressure-sensitive adhesive. Plain label magnets with adhesive are available in 1/2 inch to 3 inches tall, scored or unscored rolls, and are easily cut with scissors or a knife. Print labels on your printer and you can adhere them to any of our magnets. Our plain magnets have a grooved non-magnetic side, so you know on which side to put the labels. Plain magnets are available in 1/2 inch to 3 inches wide, scored and unscored rolls, or pre-cut strips. Organize your warehouse easily with barcodes that move with the product. Relabel file rooms, storerooms, closets, and more with ease. Label toolboxes, storage shelves, and work areas. Organize the classroom and use magnets as teaching aids. Keep your work area clean. Everything has its place. Magnetic labels change with your situation. No messy stickers. They are easily removed and repositioned. Pull them off and store them until you need them again. Stickers are ruined when you scrape them off, but with proper care, magnets can be reused forever. Magnetic labels help you in so many different ways. Use them for organization, identification, communication and safety, display, and decor. No ferrous metal? No problem. Flex iron with adhesive provides a magnetic receptive surface on wood, plastic, and much more. The adhesive is permanent, but once it is applied, you can change out the magnetic label on top. You have the same magnetic convenience that you would have on a ferrous metal material. Whether you're organizing a warehouse or cleaning up a craft room, we are your best source for magnetic labels, the simple, cost-effective solution to bring order to your space.